Undoubtedly, many of us are well versed in the application of cow dung and horse dung in gardening and farming. Have you ever considered the potential of utilizing goat dung or sheep dung? In this episode, we'll tell you 10 advantages of incorporating goat droppings to enhance soil fertility and explore the feasibility of directly using fresh goat pellets on your plants without prior decomposition. Many studies and research articles on goat dung as a fertilizer have been published on international journals. All of them say goat manure is one of the best animal manures for healthy soil and plants, especially for backyard organic vegetable gardening. And if you have a couple of goats with you for their milk or whatever purpose, you should never throw away their droppings. You will learn a lot of important stuff about goat dung by the end of this video. Please watch it till the end and learn how to use it and how much to use in your home gardening or container gardening. Let's begin. 1. Goat or sheep pellets are very much dry when compared with cow dung or horse dung. Hence these are very easy to collect or store. 2. It is virtually odorless and hence easy to work with and easy to spread on your soil directly. You cannot directly apply cow dung or horse dung without decomposing, because this can burn your plants due to high nitrogen content. 3. It's relatively free of insects and maggots, unlike cow dung. But drying in sunlight for 2 to 3 days before using or before storing is always better. 4. It's a cheap and best organic fertilizer for your plants. As I said earlier, the pellets can be used for direct applications to flower and vegetable gardens without the fear of getting your plants burnt. 5. Goat pellets contains lots of nutrients, the major NPK elements, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and many trace elements like calcium, magnesium, iron, manganese and many others. The nitrogen value may be higher than cow dung or horse dung, especially when these goat pellets are mixed with goat's urine, whether by default or by using some goat beds specially created to increase its nitrogen value. In that case, composting this prior to application is recommended. 6. This manure increases flowering and fruiting and promotes overall plant growth. Goat droppings can be used in nearly any type of garden, including flowering and fruiting plants, or vegetables. 7. Use goat droppings in your compost bin. It not only enriches your final compost value, but also it decomposes very much faster. This is because pelletized droppings allow more airflow into compost piles, which speeds up composting time as well. 8. It's a low-cost pure organic fertilizer for your vegetable gardening. You can get it for almost free, especially when you visit any rural area, or you can also obtain it at no cost, if either you or your neighbor are raising goats or sheep. 9. Goat dung is also an excellent soil conditioner. You can mix it while making your potting mix, similar to how we add decomposed cow dung into your potting soil. You can watch a related video on making your own potting mix from a link in description. 10. Mulching. For beginners, a mulch is a layer of material applied to the top surface of soil to prevent moisture evaporation and reduce weed growth, like grass clipping, twigs, wood chips, bark chips, dry leaves, hay and so on. One caution regarding fresh sheep dropping or any animal manure for that matter. Just because goat manure is a natural product doesn't mean it's completely safe. They can release disease-causing microorganisms into the food chain that can make you sick. So better always sun-dry completely for 2 to 3 days before application or compost it and then use. How to use goat dung and how much to use. This is an organic fertilizer. So you can use it in the same way how you use cow dung. A handful of goat dung per container, once every 15 days for flowering or fruiting plants, or once in 30 days for your other ornamental plants. Make sure you apply this after raking or tilling the top layer of your soil. Please give a thumbs up to the video, share it with other garden lovers and comment below with your feedback or queries. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!